Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are going for a Vistula cleaning at the banks of River Vistula, and this is an Equinix impact event. So join me for this adventure and let's go.
Najważniejsze jest to, gdzie zostawiać te worki ze śmieciami. Tutaj jak jest ta ławeczka, gdzieś tam zostawmy od tej ławeczki z 2 metry wolnego. W tą stronę to rower wzdłuż chodnika, ale na chodniku, tak? Ale nie wystawiamy gdzieś tam dalej, nie robimy takiego placu, tylko takiego ciągu.
The gentleman was coming, telling us about the area and what are we going to do and how far we can go into the area to do the cleaning works.
Tu jeszcze kawałek, to będziecie sobie chodzić, znajdować. Oczywiście nie wkopujemy się w głąb historycznych, nie robimy kopalń, bo tutaj pewnie nie jeden samochód przyjechał, tylko zbieramy z wierzchu to, co widać, tak? Nie wykopujemy z ziemi, bo tam się nie dokopiemy, tak? Nie jesteśmy koparkami. Zbieramy z wierzchu i to, co się uda zebrać, to jest nasze, tak? Pamiętajcie, o małe kolana ładowali widłami pełne wozy szczupaków. I kobieta na targu w Otwocku gdzieś zapytała się, mamy 3 godziny, tak? Czyli 10, 11, 12, od...
So I have collected all this stuff, and there is more bottles and glass and polythene bags and a lot of plastic around. This destroys the nature. So this was the 4th round, maybe 5th round. We kept the bags out there. I'll show you the bags later. We have done until now like 25-30 bags, and in the end we should have around 100 to 200 bags out there. So let's go collect more stuff. Lot of heavy stuff. So we have picked up a large quantity of bags. There are a lot of people who joined us for this. As you can see, we have a line of bags out here. Tires as well. Some mesh, electronic stuff, plastics, broken stuff, shoes, sandals, kids' boots, and it is very necessary. You know, it is a small effort, I know, but yes, it doesn't matter. Small, big, we are making an effort out here. And everybody, if everybody of us, we make small efforts like this, then we can clean the earth through garbage, and we can make our earth beautiful. So these are the people. We have the SSI team, it's CPM, GCCX team, some IBX managers, sales engineers team. Great to see everybody out here making their efforts, cleaning earth. It's a beautiful sight to see. After a quick photo session, now we are going for a barbecue. So we're gonna have some good food. Now everybody is washing hands, and after washing hands, we will move towards the other end of the Vistula river, and we're going to make barbecue out there. So we have the tables set up, the barbecue is also set up, everybody is ready to eat. So guys, this was it from our Vistula cleaning trip. It was great. We had a nice time after the cleaning work. We went for some lunch and now we are heading back home. We enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you do enjoy it, come back for more. See you in the next one. Until then, take care of yourself.